Hey guys, today we're making spring and Easter DIYs all from the Dollar Tree. And what's more, you can make all of these in 5 minutes or less. I am all about the fast crafts that look beautiful when they're done. I hope you guys enjoy. First is this gorgeous planter that's 3 times the price at Target. You need Dollar Tree terracotta pots and eggs, as well as a boxwood ball and any type of additional embellishments from the Dollar Tree. You get 6 of these neutral eggs for $1 and add a generous amount of hot glue and stick it right onto your boxwood ball. Now you can find these at the dollar store. This one actually came from Hobby Lobby and it was just $3. It would be just $1.50 with your coupon. Then cut down any additional embellishments you want to add and stick right inside. This DIY can be done in under 5 minutes. If you want to, you can paint the outside of the terracotta pot. I'm using a matte chalk spray paint. Next is my personal favorite, these Inspirational Rocks. I was totally inspired in store. These rocks definitely bring me joy. Got good plans for these. The bags are opening. I love these simple $1 finds, like these flat black stones, as well as sparkly eggs and reindeer moss. Now the idea behind this is that you set out a plate and you use a Sharpie marker to write inspirational words on the rocks. And I left lots of them blank, so guests coming over could write their own words. You can take a rock, leave a rock, something you want to remember, something you want to hold true to this holiday. I thought this was a really beautiful way to decorate for this season. Next is this beautiful outdoor sign. I love the $1 trellises, and I just gave this a quick coat of white chalk paint. Once it dries, add a little bit of hot glue to your trellis and choose your favorite Dollar Tree sign. Mine was this bunny coming out of an egg. This is a really cute $2 DIY and is perfect for a planter box or even in your yard. Next is this flower wreath. I found this sparkly bunny. It was actually part of a larger item at Dollar Tree, and I just ripped the bunny off and added a little bit of matte chalk spray paint and went over it with a Sharpie. That gave it a more rustic and classic look. I took flowers that I already had and glued it onto this $1 wreath form. I've used these for lots of projects and they're definitely some of my go-tos. I had a few leftover Easter eggs, so I put those on as well as the bunny, and this is such a sweet Easter touch on the wall. Next time you're in Dollar Tree, look for the ceramic painting sets as well as the lavender. They are 2 of my staples for spring. And they recently brought back the plastic terrariums. I ripped off some of the lavender and added it to the outside of the terrarium. You will see tons of these at higher end stores and they are so expensive. And this one, I added a little bit of moss as well as some of the glittery eggs. I just pulled out the hangers. And I love how whimsical this looks. You could add fairies inside or even gnomes. And you could take this in any direction, even kind of a more farmhouse look with a little bit of jute twine on the top. If you enjoyed this video and want more like it, leave it a big thumbs up and I'll do more of these easy, simple, 5-minute DIY ideas, stuff that you actually can squeeze in to an afternoon, have some fun with, make your house look cute. I'm so grateful for you guys. Subscribe if you are not a part of the Doitonadime family, so when I make that next video, you get to be around for it. I will see you guys there. Bye. This is a giant bin of hot glue. I feel like Jesse should just buy this whole thing.
We should, definitely.